I'm gonna go get some news. He's running the 100.
I'm just trying to train him out for next time. He's earned final jumps. Having to check back in.
Okay.
The sooner the better.
Yeah, he's right there running the 100.
He may be running the
Okay. Get some video for CNN. Okay, this is CNN coverage. There's a fire. Makiba Davis reporting for MVP Athletes. We're at the Norfolk Academy track meet. All right, people, stand back. Watch out for flying debris. Makiba Davis reporting for MVP Athletes.
I want to see a fire.
I think they're gonna have to replace their tires. They're telling people to keep their distance. Fire trucks are approaching now. Reporting April 22nd from Norfolk Academy track and field meet. Back up, guys, back up. So far, we've got 2 fire trucks responding. Sounds like there's a third on the way. Diligent security, keeping people back.
Are you gonna upload that to the internet?
Yes. Okay. The firemen are very close at this point. This is what happens when you run out of antifreeze. This guy's very close to the front. Let me see if I can zoom in a little. Yes, I can.
Top flight security.
What do you mean? He didn't fucking, he was probably jogging today. He was heating up. He could have cooled it down and then he'd like abandoned the car.
What's your mommy? Hello?
Hi, Mom.
Oh, I'm not Bernie.
I'm sorry? Yeah. Yes. All right. I'll do it when I get home. I'll be home in a couple hours, okay?
This will be great for a Get Mako commercial.
Why you need Geico?
Geico.
And Geico Auto Insurance.
It's so bad.
You want to be a firefighter? Yeah, I want to join the firefighter.
Still hearing small explosions from inside the vehicle. We're approximately 75 yards from the vehicle.
Okay, we are halfway through the 100. This is a last call for the 1600s, a second call for the 400 relay, and a first call for the 400.
I want to be on the news like, yeah, I saw it. I was
Survey the area. Good view of the people here at this venue.
Yeah, we could have gotten the lifesaver.
No, if you do that, this is bad. There's no one in there.
I know.
Now you have a distraction. Little bag. You have a distraction now. There's no
Now, granted, if there was someone in there, possibly.
And the meet goes on.
Yeah, but she did. She walked.
Yeah, that's what we took back.
Yeah, she's a fireman.
MVP athletes back to the studio.
choice.